Hi guys, Veer this side. I'm working with SBI as a probationary officer, and I'm here to share with you my experience regarding the recently concluded JIB examination. But before that, I would like to share with you something I have received from Team Oliveboard. So here it is. So it says a certificate of achievement for clearing the examination. Well, thank you, Team Oliveboard. I was not expecting this at all. This was very prompt. Even before IIBF certificate, I have received the Oliveboard certificate. Well, thanks a lot for that. So now talking about the examination, we all know JIB is important for banking professionals for their growth and increment, of course. Also, it makes you eligible to appear for CAIIB, which again gives you an extra edge in your professional world along with the increments. Now, how I was able to crack the examination within a month's preparation. See, for me, it was the learning material that I preferred. Of course, it is something that you're looking to read. It has to be relevant, right, with the subject, with the examination, right? So, being from engineering background, all these subjects were new for me, totally new, right? I was not familiar with them at all, except for economy. I mean, that is something which I think most people are familiar with in case if they have a habit of reading. But other three subjects like AFM, PBB, RBWM, all these subjects were totally new for me. So, I mean, working whole day and then finding time to clear the examination, you need a very precise learning material. So that is what I was actually seeking. And then I came across this learning material of Oliveboard, which actually acted as a helping hand for me in clearing all the examination. I mean, all the PDFs, the live classes or the recorded classes that they have on their platform, they actually help you in knowing the subject, in knowing the topics which are relevant with the examination, which will help you the required score, right? You need to clear the examination. You have to be very precise about the topics you are studying, right? So that is something that I was able to get from this particular PDFs, these classes and all these recorded lessons. So that is what has actually helped me in excelling this examination, not just clearing the examination but also scoring very good, right? And just to mention that I was able to score I think 82 out of 100 within 4 or 5 days of preparation for RBWM, and I thank Rajiv sir for that, right? The learning material, the PDFs that he has, they were actually very precise and I found almost everything from that. And secondly, when you study the relevant topics, you can use your logic as well, right? I mean, that is something that is expected from a banking official. You do not have to apply any rocket science there. You have to be very precise about the topics. You have to be very precise about what you're studying and what is going to be asked in the examination, right? Secondly, the most important thing to clear any exam, right? A platform can provide you a precise learning material. A platform can help you in knowing what will be there in examination, but again, it is you who is going to clear the examination. Again, it is your discipline that you're following, right? I believe it's the discipline that makes the difference. If you have the right learning material, if you are disciplined enough, you can crack JIB examination within a month's preparation. If I was able to do it, you can do it as well, right? Secondly, all the best for all the peoples who could not clear this examination this time. You have the next session upcoming. Do not lose hope. This examination, it takes hardly a month or 2 months of time if you are determined enough to clear the examination, right? Thank you all the best, and thank you Team Oliveboard for giving me a chance to share my experience and sharing this wonderful certificate as well. Good luck everyone. Cheers. Thank you. Bye-bye.